job well done but half done yet, because ballot is a milestone in the middle.
Yeah.
End होती है delivery.
जी.
But ballot is an important milestone in terms of what kind of product design we should give to our customer.
जी.
Customer is at the forefront of how we want the society to breathe in, breathe out with customers once they start living in there.
जी.
I know we're years ahead. Normally what happens is people buy, they pay in 5 years, and they pay for their development charges, and they move in, they build their houses in next couple of years.
Gee.
Then they move in. The entire cycle is sometimes 8 to 10 years. And then once the society fills in, which could be another 2-3 years,
Yeah.
then they build, they raise their families there.
Gee.
When they raise their families there, the kids they have, and they start interacting with places. हमने ये पूरा project conceive किया है of that timelines, including that. So understanding how people and families will live in future in our properties, that's something which we feel like AJD is proud of, the fact that we have someone like Mindheart deliver that value
Yes.
for our customers,
Gee.
who not only can benchmark for us what the future has to offer, but also has to create an ecosystem of today कि customer की आज की need क्या है और उसकी कल की need और want क्या है, और उसके accordingly उसको plan किया जाए.
But Mashallah say with a lot of successful like projects also हमारी एक history है, तो उससे आपको कोई थोड़ा सा एक satisfaction के लिए या proud feel होता है कि जो आगे आने वाला इन्वेस्टर ने या क्लाइंट है या जो प्रेजेंटली जिसने इन्वेस्ट किया हुआ है उसको एक एतमाद है, एक खुशी में, एक यकीन है दैट they are investing sort of their money, precious money in the right place.
देखिए, nothing is justifiable but the results.
Yes.
ठीक है, result in itself should speak for itself.
Right.
That's why I said, job well done but half done. But it's important is that we adhere to our timelines. We have.
Yes.
It's within 2 years. But the economic situation of the entire country. But what we are committed to is the fact that we want to make sure that we give our customers the right experience once this project delivers. Marina Sports City is not just a standalone Marina Sports City. It's Alnoor Orchard, West Marina, and Marina Sports City.
Yeah.
And then Marina Sports City Residential. So my point is, it's all built up towards everything.
Yeah.
हमने साथ साथ ये भी कंसीव किया है कि किस तरीके से यहाँ की community will communicate with this community. Yeah. And then the future for that location in itself is a gold mine. Ring Road वहाँ पर आ रहा है.
जी बिल्कुल.
लाहौर कराची मोटर वहाँ पर कर रहा है. So automatically it's a place for future, and our customers will experience that. You talked about investors. देखिए, investors के लिए भी importance at the end of the day customer ही है.
Yeah.
ठीक है ना? ठीक है, वो customer की churn होगी तो automatically investor के लिए भी उसका benefit है. And what we're very proud of the fact that कि हम लोग customer centric product बनाते हैं. ठीक है, वो फौरन अपनी जर्नी के स्टेप्स नहीं लेता, पर जैसे आज एक स्टेप लिया, ठीक है, वो अपने टाइम पे दिखाता है कि मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, फिर जब वो डिलीवरी पे आएगा फिर दिखाऊंगा. अब दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज कॉमन थीम इन ऑल ऑफ आवर जर्नी प्रीवियस प्रोजेक्ट्स एज वेल.
अच्छा, तो आज जो पैनल दिन बैठे हैं हमारा, तो काफ़ी पीपल व्हेन दे आर गोइंग टू बी अडॉप्टेड देन गेट टू नो कि ओ दिस इज़ आवर प्लॉट नंबर, दिस इज़ आवर स्ट्रीट नंबर, तो मतलब उस चीज़ को लेके भी लोग बहुत एक्साइटेड हो गए. बिकॉज आई वाज स्पीकिंग टू मिस्टर समर, देन ही सेड कि हमारा जो लिविंग एक्सपीरियंस है दैट्स लाइक लश ग्रीन ब्यूटीफुल रोड्स. ऑफ कोर्स गाड़ियों वगैरह के लिए तो रोड्स इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज़ देयर, but it's going to be a walk-in concept, kids playing game, safety is looked upon, because obviously that being one of the main features right now in today's day and age. So उस लिहाज से हमारे आज के clients कितना happy होंगे, कितना खुश होंगे, क्या expect कर रहे हो?
हमने जो डिज़ाइन प्लान किए हैं with Mindheart, वो हमने फ्यूचरिस्टिक चीज़ों को मद्देनजर रखे किए हैं. बट अगेन डिलीवर होंगे तब पता लगेगा. That's our commitment towards it.
Yeah.
Secondly, what is being done today is, and I'm very proud of our team, is the app,
Yes.
the customer app.
Yes.
The customer app,
Al-Jareer Connect. Yes.
the Al-Jareer Connect is an app, is a dream child of our team, where I feel like the core essence is how do we create value for our customer and communicate value for the customer.
जी.
You know, we have thought of the fact that एक बंदा है, उसके अखराजात उसकी असासों से बढ़ चुकी है, ठीक है, उसको एक्स्ट्रा बजट ना करना पड़े, उसकी बाइक, उसका तेल का खर्चा ना करके उसको आना पड़े. ऐप के ऊपर everything should be there.
And even investors living, they just
Absolutely.
download app and they
So real estate has to provide clarity. Real estate has to provide clarity, and that's our promise towards society.